Hi, today we are preparing cheesy baked potatoes. For this recipe we need 6 boiled potatoes, 200 grams of cheese, a bunch of green onion, 3 cloves of garlic, some salt, some olive oil, 4 tablespoons of fresh cream, some pepper and fresh chives. So start off by cutting chives. Then cut the onion up till really dark green part. Cut it into 2 and now slice straight across. Chop up the green part. Grate the cheese. I'm using 2 kinds of cheese, Gouda and Cantal. Grate the garlic. Heat up the pan and add in some olive oil. Add in the white part of the onion. Once it is translucent, I will add the green part. Mix it well and stop the hot. Cut the potatoes in half. Use a spoon to scoop out the inside and keep it aside. Add onion, salt, grated garlic, chives. Mix and add the fresh cream. Add the cheese, mix it to get a smooth stuffing. Add some pepper and mix it well. Now preheat the oven to 260 degrees Celsius. Use the grill mode. Spoon fillings into potato shells. Sprinkle with some extra cheese. Pop them in the oven and bake them until golden brown. Voila voila! Bon appétit!